was not shocked. I'm always booed. Everywhere I go, I'm booed. I like to be booed. That's why I fight hard. Because I am the king.
Ready? I'm ready. This is my national flag. I'm proud of it. And I'm proud of Africa.
Sompa FM.
Alright, Sompa 93.1 www.sompafmonline.com. Of course, you're transy. Here is Shootout Jumadine Baba Birametimera. My Timako Zizer no 9 Beba. Yebe PJ Mona Fidi Akibia. Atwa so kama pray Timera Mantinianta. Na ya won koma udro na manaba. And B fast food ya can't say what's a new modern Yanepa. Edine Buana isisi pa na Crudiama Ghana Bibia. Ope Dianepa Muede Unyabidia Bebuana Nemada Yepa. Etimi Edi Amadie and B. Fast food na omujuma di omo bono se fa ne jollof fried rice na kokone bianchen emu de papa omo ebo ejuma nkofo adwo omo tumunti no owuramu ewo Kumase mpatamu ade aba bebre omo bomo adwo omo ebo ejuma so ame no omo Ben Ghana Commercial Bank and afi suru ani chemo tafo a osi scoreboard papa no benyo omo kronom osi kronom bar ya ho omo eye ejuma pa na se na ye na aba fi abadi nto na aba de dodo na eba ba be hiem no eye mana ba na B and I know Munin Como, a Mumma Fajumano, and Rediane Depa, Fama Hohona, Ebebano Nankanko Fabia, and Fam Roman Tomanamano, 0249 030830 0249 030830 Niamwa, Nasha Shannon Kuyusoro, and Timmy Emfa Emanane, Ubisa and B Nankasa no Nudin Koma, Oberka Charles in the Juma Diana Diabo, Amana Kona Nimia Papa, in Enkofa Jenna Tumnes or the Pomo, tomato mix in the bomodin, Etimia Bujmana, Mwe de Yepa, Anunso de, or the young Quine so need the ho, a Buama Shishano Yereme Santuyama, Ninamono to the day kama pa, Etimia Mantiano ye Pomo. Tomato mix emun komono ena mi dine kama sono etimi eri echo na nchemune ne sare nhihye esi etiane se ne resi na warrior na so na moa ne kunu na mfo ne de our wife sa nina eni se ejuma no bone ne ma no de ewram no eya de de yi a ebo ama ne makoyere ma secret ne ba kope eye pomo tomato mix ene udidi anya ne yie no na ajaze ebo ase ama odin sonko awodo na minerals awodo na vitamins awodo na ma ebersan siesie dipadua no ama we jana so na nema koye pa etimi ediamanti baby girls no eye pomo no kwa osashe wa no and afi odi ototo wani ma ni na mo no ebo na nema deda di so etimi ediamanti o madaroma ye ramo bomo de di nkoma odo na etimi eri fifia ni na me rameda mana still the football association president guso air commission ra o ramo brankesi obono modi abo project no oguso ni nema tutu na kwa na o ramo bomo de di juma de ni wi no nkomo sei eno timi eri jai.
2 of the 80 balls, or 2 out of the 8 balls, or 2 of the 80 balls, any of them could work well. This part of our strategy to improve competitions. Clearly, our clubs need water, and this water is used mainly to treat our pitches. And once there's enough water, chances are that when we pay attention to the pitches and we treat them well, our players will have the chance to play football, and we should also be in a position to produce good players. This strategy was deployed by the Football Association following the decision by the executive committee to apply some funds from the FIFA for 1.0 and 2.0 in our attempt to improve football. And I'm very happy that nations are also a beneficiary of this strategy. When the pitch here is completed,
Etiano ya command e wa bomo de diani na mebo mane ma de di pere mana manko eko roma nyina snami ni nkomo kakra etimi emfa Emra Evans Adumakon and of course the Gomonga wa mano so ne nkaza na Evans bibia aboko de
abu nyame adom bibia aboko na bajo monse
o yanso nyame adom ye ho ye pa ameze me ton kakra na acha but bibia da na kwama na emeko menimi a chance se season we alone spell kokoko ramo ewo Karela no yenimza aka one game na akwa etimi rapem obeka se fa bibi no I guess successful the amount so do si peno na unya ne sana
abu dedi kan ye da sila be nyame na de to so me no be me den chia ma watiefo nyina Kumasifo nyina ne asantima ne bi omusio ya de sila be nyame because loan no I'm buy no make say I successful mama because no kotoko 2 years. 2 years when I'm go so I'm saying na o share me ba Karela loan. Na when I'm gain some abo any per goals ni assist menya. Make say my improve that 2 years and be di kotoko. Make say I very successful mama pa.
Minimum success for the amount pay or start access on the compare or former team ni juma wa ye na unzi we no we ni mu kakra na na target no be all minim say last time I na me no kasa e na do target ni ade ewura me de ma me goals na wa hye sisia ne ne ma na ewura me de ama no oba zo target no zo wa achieve ana
enye target no because what that season here obia em high but o share situation na team ni wo mu na wo hwe niema ye na mu ni se de ekwa na wo hwe de atinya achieve for now na Rebecca say very successful because if you say Rebecca say 1 is better than 0 another be say also the match no enti make us my successful my target ni entinya reach but the nyame dem ay na successful ye ni je ho
na iban there yenimza na wo Far Rangers no kra goals na abona na manya go monga edidi ma na ba krobia oba ha ina goals ne ba baro ko Karela no goals no ba na eba aden difference ne say koroko no na niema no na won sheda huni ya na ze hono be na pressure kakra wo
bu me that question was because me amena ho for kwa bu same question the thing is obeba kotoko no oye new player waba obi an said ni mu bebe sa ana kotoko so be club of course munyina munim into where they pressure there with team ni mu because omunim hwe apart from win so wo kotoko philosophy on the edition with team no ana two be ba kotoko as typical striker mama as a winger main condemn coaches and before mun say mo hono ana bi sa but over games and ball kotoko na near bomb 7 but man said that nyame favorite position na me really say me to me aboa ka metimi ayedi metimi ye emmo but all the same me nya 7 boy player bi kwanso ba ono so anya bi ammo enti ni nyina mo no o company am bebra position any pressure na ono be me nyin film na wo ka ho ba me ba hanom no and you say the league in top, and you say the league and Abisa, but Oko baby, na unya dia opa. I think say okay to Mukrano, it's in the Buama de Uyibiano, it's in the Cohen, the meeting a cafa and Honor and Pacho.
Mate, young queen near here, Karela United, aka 1 game. Na season end, and on here Bibia Modana, Firum Kakra, Yinzanra. Opusu mienu ni ade amo final game o kwa kuramuna mone Kotoku Royals mo de akwa boani bibi adu no o hwe modern money ahoden amode awuramu na o ne se Karela betimi a survive
menu di komo wo fidi ya so na ka se de tibia ni mo modern de but se de tibia anya dia relegation de ye de timi ni beko because se obi a modern de ade na gina yie na mo nyina ma be wuramu a mo find komo ni mo find komo chi enti with teamwork any place determination no kwa bia so be than be free ho as a Kotoku match any easy match because all the service order from that you do it tamalifiti any easy match but meaning that the TBA no ya me adomo ya mo Kotoku match ni mi no na Karela da so Ghana Premier League mo after season ba no be share ni so be bobi
yerimza Bismarck Obi Mensa na demo chance edu baby Angelo Didon eba be hwe chi na ni Coach Shaibu Ibrahim Tanko also ababa be so mo no yejuma Coach Shaibu ba ye no de na asesan be was of late mo performance no mo kwa we mo boho mu na no kra mo ne Kotoko na me amehwe mo ejuma na mo bona no edin de no de aba be continue ama ne Karela ho ehu sa no
se we nka except for tapa say aka ye train girls ni ye future ko TV film bi ahwebie men condemn Bismarck Angel Didon Solomoniade because coach bi one philosophy ni coach bi say do in adwuma omunyina bo modern ye de omo be ya na ye gusu aye ko yanim but behind the scene na marketing TV ho no mo na to ye ne ho ne ma na omo ne mpani point temperature ko itanko ba ye no no so did obetimi aba be fiem wa me ate say say obia Japadia Sia, Nicola Fair, Emmanuel Faye, individual, Obia Bitima Biano, on Fanny Winshim. Now you're working as a team. That's the United Team Carella Camua. The Eonomono, or more about what you're my and the kind of motivation or the buyer may sure say, and no one aboya a last 6-7 games. No, you lose CB. I wish I were queen. It means, like I say, or no so buy, determination, motivation or the buyer. No, about team in the pan, appreciate for it.
Boame kakra na do we hwene ya meja mo akọ na is there no crop bia no contract na fee and the aba na wi ya na
say a free be ya me was some few months ewo mu ansa na aba na wi empacho
e dey commodity any to say is there wo say ye ba be all form now the fee carrel banasa no e den kakra why ready say na commodity any course na yes extend ya o be gia tu na we extend ya na bibi edu no ejuma na sube movie on
Abudiabe
Monga
I was me team player Uja me kwai se me kwato mani so ade hu baby foforo enti the first time buy near ma to yie ma me no enti se I was me family ho adwen me ma me ho so near ma bebe ho enti season end there mesa ko baby me free buy na me no makotena se na yinyina yadwen ye future se ebeboa se yebeto aso se emwa se ye nto aso na me patwe ni nyina ade adwen ne akomakoro ko be kromu na ye jaye ho kwan se de be ya David enye ne David se kapata se ye so hia ne pa yonko bi mu ayonko fo ne timi atena wenti ebe ye boko wi a me komechi biko ho na mfiri na bako humpeni fo wi a na fi ato se from pacho
Monga matwa me dase na bibia azo ado betwe ka wa very sure the best why
because of me dase pa na mi trawo
Katie ano ye Vance Adama Kuredu na ye corner ne kokodin koma wapo modin dia rama ni nyina eboa ma ne ma deda ye pretimi ye ma na enwumre ya me baba be rama na mu se Enyaki Williams abomode official release biaba na release no kinkan ma na resere nema esietia since a few weeks I have been playing with a pain in my right knee. I decided to play until the end of the season, but after having spoken to the medical services, we have decided to stop and solve the problem to be 100% for the preseason. This wasn't an easy decision to make because I won't be able to be with my national team Ghana the next meeting, and I want to say that I'm fully committed and I'll come back with the Black Stars if the coach deems it appropriate next call. Thank you for your support. Etiano naki di odi abano no tukin kama naki ezi afimu no owe sere nyeme si kwa ne nkotodwe no na jeso nya pains bi wo mo de abobobobo matches na bia ne nkotodwe ni fa no ane no Olympic focus o mozi o mojiri se wo se o tranchen kakra no mo hwe etimi solve that problem ne ma no ti Ghana en call up ye ne Madagascar e de kwa kobo ani ana ni dimba be ram no ontimi ana so be ba be jemede me na mu me ne ya pa be o Ghana national team no eda na koma so pepa edi se nyame boa na bia de dadi na ho de ne ba na ko krisuti nsan ye so beto nsa afre na we ready so be ba na wa ba be jano wa boa ma ne ma de da ye pa etimi ede amom ti sa pepe ena nkomo no esieti a ye di eram nso no etimi ede amount ye ne nya kinkomo a me di eram kama pa etimi ra ma menko baby jet Asamoah Gyan na ye ni nkomo na Asamoah Gyan just the Black Stars of Ghana a sacrifices a waye nyere ama Ghana no obetimi aka studio as players in the bi ma ba kwa ye bi abaro ne de no ya de ano edin komo sei e no po mo de etimi edijai
say no dey make say there's no player in this history Ghana footballer who sacrificing me. I don't see any player. You know, if everybody knows in their heart, those in the GFA will be any sacrifices. When you talk about sacrifices, I know what I'm talking about. If our team no not a Damakumasu. Okay, I say my national team and I have to do everything to make sure I just contribute. And you know, those are no. Sometimes they have to say Chimumuja game. I always say me ball. I have to risk my life. We say 2015, with the hospital, 5 hours to the game. I decided to play. America, USA, go now. I'm down with malaria. Doctor said me, but like I had to just because a lot of things, and all those guys can testify. There have been betrayals and a lot of things, you know. But maybe my family say me, I'm just helping mankind. Because Jackson say, make this world a better place for me and for you. Me, you know, me be but sometimes nipa that's any regret it, but you have to just move on with your life. I mean, I always say.
Tia no ye command asa na baby jet abomode ria baba betu ya nkomo no we dia hodo na meba na media baba be remo etimi dia mana na nyama boa ma ma kwe na mom global ICM and OTHM qualification ya ka zenne enye bibia na akwakopi djuma kura certificate bia ekwenya do mana global ICM mom djuma na omobo no ya dia no edem pa ni nyina ze ye beboa na degree a hodo na on say etimi aka na master's degree level 7 diploma programs from your accounting and business, occupation health and safety management, logistic and supply chain management, and education management and leadership. Nina, a bachelor's degree, and now level 6 diploma. No, your accounting and finance, business management studies, information technology, health and safety management, project management, na higher national diploma. They don't have bonity account HND, and also mobile level 5 diploma. No, programs from your business studies, computer science and cyber security, human resource development, journalism and media studies. Project management, you know, university diploma, level 4 diploma programs, na just so mobile business administration, office management, education and training management, na health and social care. Na adeba kone ze dibia meka dundu no ebe de vizuru si danda motuom no era afi so kra no o sere ne man so esi kwa abo na ewum ze ne takra man ne yefe ana ema ne ye kama pa na takra bone de avonya kwatre kwa ze ne bebi a wo kwa akoda no obo ze dede wo nsu atiko light ma obeda asua de kra no akwa akwa ibero mo no amo facilities ne ye gampa enti so wo ho a bibia pebia no on saka wasumjo e ma usua de kama pa enti opomo a ana peso roma watwe wasi enya A1 ekokosi 8 no MVTI NFA DBS na mature students no mo wakonya se mo bewura mo kuma ase airport runabout the one ya chemo sepe kwa so Kings Campus obenya no fa number no 0244 764 797 0244 764 797 na 0249 225 0249 225 niamwa na ne man koye pen fama abe Heba Clinic mame abe ne juma no bona no edin abibidro nkoten nyame na mame no su ye juma kona kokoje wa raisa wanton ya unya no edu na wo ye be martin ye wade no esua okwa mame ne beboa ebe bache pa na mo ayidu kama edi amabeku esua yana baby girls no sebizebio omotabu ya kwase abisa no ezanze ode ya enhyeda nya yi na akwa ye yi nti mbeze be ye yi na ebe ye yi pa dia na mamia bi ene bebo ama de no mu apija na ne makoye pa area ma na ene approach ne shares ze babo zojo nso na mu apai ebede bebi no aya se ya 1 sa no mo na dia de bi ko akwakoto be mamu na tonton penancy fi akọ na mframa bọ no de na akwakoduo wantwa kaska aso mina minie obekwa akoka ne zem nyina na ekra na yare ye ho aye ne omo ya ade no kra no na jeze bi mu na machia na enkohwe no de emze nkofo be didi egu account so ndi ozo hwe na eno so no timi so ano loan spend card na edu nyobe na wabomode etimi aso ano baby girls no so no bosome so ade ej mamia bebere na waboa na wetimi aso sad na no nato etimi etwe no so achi no obesiesie enfi obetwa yopo fiber dobere na wabomode etimi etu ase bacteria infection nyina owe etimi ne kama pa na twa ya ba ko a egu nkofo ni ma se mami ba ye no waso ano oba na waba betu ase doku pe etimi ra ma sickle cell on sensem no yeso oba na wabim bebrebe no onya ndu 20 years obefimu nya no kre nyame na mamia be so akra no ebenya na rai sa kwa sickle cell test oye scan test no twata no so apatrapa new site o obena apatrapa junction no fa number no du nkomo na yemo ane enso ano 0243 345392 0243 na 0506 46020 0506 46020 niambwa na ne manko ye pen fama na baby jet ene bizan say na yen current squad ya ene ya wa ye ni omo bu adwuma no mo nso komo be no diare form say ne no so de tuja.
I think we've got young team they are doing well, you know, but sometimes the truth hurts a bit. We say there are players while the teams are facing relegation as which is a bit worrying. Most of your key players, so being so I say on and off the key players, see injuries are for the later stages of the league, you know. Say the performance wasn't. I think 60% of the key players I won. I said recently, I said the performance, but the national team is a different ball game altogether. Experience and everything is there. So the way to can say it's a hard drink, but other players who are more Baushe, Nyama is an excellent call up. So far, team our friend, I don't think it's bad. It's bad, but Ubia one opinion. For me, fans, best support. Yeah.
Atiano ye command your pomodi timeri tuja fire care squad. Nona asa adeba kwa high pa me Black Stars awaje trophy da. Lebe say no ye Ghana for ye dadwen ba ko pa no say na ebu say Ghana. Na afcon ibi ni age na eji eni eno nso no ya na ho asem ne ha adwen kakra o
you limit your expectations, no? That's the only thing. You limit your expectations, no? Now you draw plan. It's a 5 years plan and it's a 10 years plan. Look at Senegal. Can you draw plan like 10 years? See are the dominating Africa. So you limit your expectations, no? Because when it comes to Ghana, you call World Cup crap now. The first time you call World Cup, no? You say you call J Cup. Yeah, and you say as a player, no, I don't have confidence you call G. But I plan. Holland since I started World Cup, till now limit your expectation, no? Now team now no. Just let's groom them. When we go now, you go find an a bonus, but it wasn't the plan. Times no, but you plan 5 years and not 10 years. By this year, they will say it may when
Atiano, ye come up bomodi timeri jai o tiri oka. Was say as ye tournament do ye kwakwa jini ade tete so ana ye hwena ye timi e plan ye na no na beboa na bibi ada de timi era ma na said no pan ye didi nkomo na to for commercial mo supporters no ma pa lie rough nra ohwene me course so ana omo promo players na ti omo a na no e de ye na decision and pin for tikino and it's a season e kwere pema 13 players yebejo omo kwa omo free club na so ye ba omo we adwuma na omo ye ne niam na omo di ram na omo yidi sa fi tron ka pa bibia club no crowd no ze nyame ampata na de chi omo kokuku di ntwo brekum na eba na ze Olympics win ni game Matamali City win ni game ye ene na asem kesi wo Ghana ha ti ama supporters no omo abomodi timi apala ya anu edin ye papa omo so ye no erum kama pedaman tu join na resele ne City a otumu zampa enhye ye krentimi afa mo na fe double soccer academy na boga kone na mo amano ne na wase aba kra mo mame we na member so anti justify no ebetimi akoso Santasi Owas Park na munchemu ne cheze the 10 June and it be rebesha 6 o'clock am na akwa 5 p.m. na mun common city and share na chase no oyeze na nko chichemzo obekom pantamu awodo na ne akwa bone ezi nyambo e tent no ene yeyi ni nyina e de fiwo ewu kumase a etimu amu wo chichimu amu ben no mun nyina mu ram no on the 10th ewo Santasi Owas Park etimi rezo ba form so no 50 Ghana no de obetwia na ode age na aboa na ne ma deda din so no etimi edi amanti mamenko na me ne apostle ni bishop onto aso a bi obiara na ye rere mani ade but last time no didi nkomo bia nra Monza after say PSG game no ne Cremon for match ne ba na wie no Grenonche grant interview oze Ghana penyin bia contact no Sompa bon farmer the Black Stars of Ghana be me say mo aka
enye onwanwa kire say Ghana for Muntio akra na busua ene yakasa akra na aka ho bi so pese obo ye dey at Ghana Football Association panyum for enim asa tim say asema ye ne mo kan no mo nem fra akra no I'm sure they need dance in some year trophy.
Be after mu game no zo shegu.
Enti ye de Ghana for hu say akra no obo league an de bi obobi. Onimbo. Ose o pepa so bebo Black Stars no. Na onimo bi a wo afi ho. Enti ye o de fire so mebo akasembo aye.
O no kre.
Enti ye nkan kire afi for no.
Ah etu ana.
Good. Enti ne aka no mo so mfa no mfa nyedwuma. Ana bibi o wa wonti ase bi. Oh,
you go there.
So se me ma me wa.
O de kwedi. Enti kwedi wa. Ye kwedi.
Region Chino. Or catch us over Bama Ghana. Oh, yes, I could catch a fifth. Region Chis over Bama move. Timo Yankai.
Oh, I can what to one among Tino.
Sompa on your dear, they are fine. Then I can do more. Sad time we now are bosses in the region. The right time I say Arabia show more was also. I see Eddie Dane and Eddie Precon. Akure ankasa obe boy national team go no nhwe bi Inyaki Williams no onhwe go ba kokra eno so nche se ball no nimbo go no na mai e den beba na emom omonko ye ne nan no. He's been playing through pain for too long.
Isaac Ghana ne Angola.
Yeah.
First time na no mo train. As I what you show her say there.
Exactly.
You see Kobe Ghana who say ko to gino.
One man on one, no bi o ha won ti ase o. Nti no onkonko gina home off season. Ya man a 3 weeks break.
Yeah.
On fan gina home. Ensa ne ho yare. No back. Madagascar ne ko Republic of Football ntimi nka se Ghana ko Madagascar yesuru. Her points are yo. Ya ntimi anhwo mo kra e ba ye ne
the Central African Republic. Ai ya san wa shimo.
Ai. Nti na wo se yem hwehwe. De bibia ama yem hwehwe. Sempo so mo ko hwe ye ho a. Ye ba be ball ha ye be show ye ni mbo. Ye be show pa Blasters. So what I say. Nti Inyaki Williams no onko nya yarisa. Onhwe ne hu ni na dwuma o ye dididie ni. Mayem fa Black Stars me na Black Stars e china nku be hu no na asa ko biri ni kru. Makelesi anya nyina ya Black Stars.
Yes.
Ehunu bi pentia. Ti esrepi. Omunya abutre. Onkoye ne nan no na bibia ntimi nkonkan fama no. Omisia kan Emma Athletic Bilbao ene Ghana Black Stars. We enye bibia Bruce bia enye World Cup qualifier. Ye wa fi bim.
Oh yeah, 2023.
The next World Cup near
2026, yeah.
Good. January everybody
AFCON.
Nti ni say man kosa no ya.
Konkosa no ya.
It's so. You know, Makacho Asamoah Gyan is my favorite Black Stars player of all time.
Yes.
I've been involved in a discussion involving Onu, Abedi, and Anthony Eboamiyi Asamoah Gyan.
Yeah.
I mean, you know, Fabibia Tunchen, Asamoah Gyan de obena and sama otino. As a summer dream for the otino abontin fan. And number Black Stars need the obi and you are about boni yasin on an individual level. Yeah, new trophy, fine. But in terms of Asamoah Gyan's ability, Black Stars is irreplaceable. Kwaku, Asamoah Gyan ball Obama Black Stars, the papa saying the Anthony Eboabo.
Asamoah Gyan.
Of course.
The ball no Obama Black Stars.
You know, he gave us more. On air Ghana all times top scorer.
Yes.
And then he took us to the World Cup for the first time. Or AFCON final not twice when Timiani. In 2010 in Angola, 2015, Gabon, Equatorial Guinea. And look, you've got to give it to him. One, say he is one of the best players we've ever had, performance-wise, for Black Stars. Asamoah Gyan free anyone wants to soon free and I'm not also.
Oh, no credit.
Yeah, but no what. He like okay 2015 sao Gia match now so ya you know. Omo chanting no coach no de omba no. On na ebo 5 sada no.
I imagine
Bugera. Oni Aisa Mandi. Omo na ebo 4 and 5 sada no. Wakasu tam pass no two mu na one touch or dispatch ball no. Rising ball in Timmy 1-0. USA the so sano at the hospital no the boy. Had a chest control. Jack Carlos Bucanegra or wham. Ghana World Cup quarterfinals. Ghana ni Angola. Kujua Asamoah releases Asamoah Gyan. Kwaku Asamoah Gyan from 2003. Our free liberty professionals be rap Black Stars no. Look, he never looked back. Continuous service till the AFCON 2019. Asamoah Gyan bought Black Stars in 16 years. Continuously. He's our best scorer in tournaments recently until the Dibabaji record in some World Cup. I mean, look, Asamoah Gyan was that good for us. Now the issues. Niedi kind. Sa Asamoah Gyan no abobo ni bi da ne se Ghana here policy a. Me atana me den. Me amimbo bi da me century. Miso do bi anim say na the book long now the bi asore otisi bookum. Nemom ni abobo ni bi da no. Kwaku. O see. Ono Asamoah Gyan no. Obetu yem for see draw policy. Where Black Stars captain no. World Cup quarter final a nye penalty buzie penalty okoboti a Uruguay ikra nke bia nke ko semi finals. Yani Nigeria offer header bishop mo semi finals. So nya sa header ni be for against Egypt. Nke bia African champions. The closest we've come to being champions no on 2 occasions after 82 ni na no kan be. 3 occasions 92 yes. 2010 2015 emu 2 no kan. Ono see here policy. yɛmfa bibi ntoɔ ne yɛnyɛ ho adwuma ne yɛbɛyɛ sɛ Senegal ba akwa mensa I am out data no wo se dabi Blasters ne nkɔmra ne yɛmɛkyɛ sika ne nti the players na asɛm na ɔka na ɛnyɛ no kora na Salis ekodi red card against PSG ɛno ka obi kwa na loans anti man bobo the Angelique no Amatete drop Salis were pro said the ono so case basa Andrea you to bench Jordan are you able Pate boy pra akwa ba ne more form junior position everything he is talking about is factual and some are all brusu ni nyina no kwaku enye bosire mu kan o these are facts inu me no dey na be anyway because football for juma nemum we should see or say the exciting ones coming through me who play our junior young player on and said they no Asamoah Gyan eya junior ma ho no say ya mo hwebia anoko kan Majid Ashmeru asem F4 jinin awo na Shootout mo to twa mo militant knife omo de ba wono considerably. He's one of the most intelligent people you see in the football fraternity. He's that intelligent, and I'm happy. Many GA pass Asamoah Gyan. I'm former captain, so didn't know to be Obianya Nkakaka. Ghana Football Association in here a proper development plan. Asamoah Gyan was a beneficiary of a development plan from Accra Academy straight to academicals. However, under 17 Amfa, he's nurtured through by the administration, Benkofin administration. Until any Rwanda about Somalia. About 2 legs of a World Cup qualifier before I preliminary round and send the group with South Africa and co. I want you who Asamoah Gyan what memories be break ku makani goals no na me atade me rim fida action na Asamoah Gyan ko hwe nyame anim ye no Congo in 2005 every World Cup qualifier me ko Congo Shabani wonder man twama no so much no he scored the decisive goal. Look, Asamoah Gyan no, he was there. He was that kind of guy. Nti ebesre so no so mwa na nkra na mo ba no develop it na Asamoah Gyan is there because under 16 na e ko bon baby jet in super sports ko in life na me atara me organize on training odoma presbyterian school park ajo disen ko mbeba me atara me ko chra so chra senior high school on park no o me mo ha na me ko tanachi na chemenya o chra wan ko mbe pina me abo sa abo so he is that proper legend. And the best friend is the network now when you know or the one crown. When we say I'm Asamoah Gyan soon as I crown free. Shellisman team in the
Young Apostles.
Of Ryoko Udinese Street.
Boy na Okoya.
Asamoah Gyan tia.
Udini bo
no Chelsea. Yeah. Oh no. Nti omo nyusu mai. Mamma nkra ni bi nko hia ya. Ene nkra ni nimbo ne bo no mo ma chomo ha ombenya kotodwe. So mo content. Among content. And I'm real here, pa. Na me ni gadgets and come dibigum. Me ko hu go Fred Donsa. And round Donsa. Yeah. Nene kasaka kra. Kwa kunimo edu pa. Onye footballer wait bi. Me ni din ko waka na say papa. Martin fie 4 months. We kra hu me ye no. Na me so sinse. Ni so tata me. Sompa could have been. What?
Tataki ono.
What could have been, Kweku?
I think the last club of boy Yenima Lions Sport.
Kweku, what could have been? Unimbo nebo.
Godfrey Donza.
Today home na ban mirror. Where that was it?
Marty. Abazo.
Maestro Asamnia nani kind deal. Maestro, I mean Asamoah Gyan is a very the best striker Ghana has produced, undoubtedly. I mean, top player. Untimi need 3 best Ghanaian footballers all time are on count. So there's, I mean, his contribution is immense to Ghana football. And adia me mame me pep players. This is Asamoah Gyan, this is Stephen Appiah, this is Abedi Pele Masamne. Eta omanu hi omu pano. Omu mfani omu pesa omunya. Ebia omu infaso ombenya club side. Crucial game be wo and TSM boy no choose national team no above the club commitment. It is one of the reasons why you're one of the most loved players that I've come to appreciate. The commitment to the national team. Look, whether a pro or prior, he's there. He will always be there. And then it's difficult for us to even have such players in a national team. Very difficult. And the players on one national team, and none of them has proven that. I'm putting on record, none of them. None. Cameron Blaster and none. ABN to show say and found the ABC, all of them put club ahead of national team. But he, no way. Tina because the man maestro you fly no from Marseille. Not play no tarmac and also air train no. Even though he has a crucial game, but he's flying to come and play Black Star matches. How about Pele? Some of us we have lived to see him, to see that situation.
Sompa Sports.
Pele, you lie. I mean, myself, no, they have issues, but not the Black Star. Oh, Baba Bobble, and so what they normally do is that because they're so special to Marseille, and they're on flying in helicopter bar. So they are saying, and a special agent, your boy, yes, I'm flying now. Sana Stephen Appiah. But the focus on Asamoah Gyan. So for me, Asamoah Gyan, the exceptional contribution to the Black Stars, a idea, say a chair by a normal national team. He, for instance, should be given the opportunity to speak to the current players of the national team about sacrificing commitment to the national team. Yes, and himself club no born honor. Eja unye duani die honor ma obo bra. Yes, but Sebio, most of the players in the national team is on my national teams here from under 17, under 20, under 23. Any national team here, and Mamu Soja, Munya by Papa Ejinai. So there should be a balance agreed. But Asamoah Gyan, the commitment, I mean, Steve, the last player of Asamoah Gyan, before Asamoah Gyan, who the commitment was Stephen Appiah. Yes. And Asamoah Gyan raised it to that level. So they say, so he's an incredible player. And aside that, we are not tapping into him. Striking, go share a art. Asamoah Gyan by this and the Black Star, he should be teaching the strikers how to score. Yeah, before your problem. I mean, I don't see why you have Asamoah Gyan there. Now a striker see to two ball goof empty in a common to me. In a national team.
Ebizo no son retire in India.
Why?
So retire.
Approach when are we approaching?
I don't retire.
Me say
on cards with
now your Dogomoro cannot a player coach. I'm saying that and who national team coach shire team.
Sompa Sports.
Who be a go share go no a bon awo otiasi. Na unfano and can't team no na on chire strikers no or non take striker through special drills, goal scoring drills. Enya happy, enya blast or match, but even when they are in their base, or make or show matches, share baby omuye mistakes. Now on correct before we national team na omu enim go no share kama. He's there, we are not or Asamoah na sebiu. And maka mumokasa video na abano. I for ninety. And sebiu omo ninty ye pa sebi omo bo brada omo twitwe omo secret yi no mo chrocho nsemfu anyansa bi anim. Tanya sanga Asamoah Gyan kasa about footballer. Sebiu mo hwan na mo se fata se mo yi ano. Bon mo bodu hi at the World Cup he was scoring big nations.
Sompa Sports.
Boruti Azecheno. The biggest stage. We administrator account Azecheno because the biggest stage there park no so administration there. Njono kasa sebi nkola omaba sebi Africa no musu ye twitwi so musu kebi. But that is the kind of people we have become. That you are the papa cry you know how to make sure say you be maximizing the positives. Nipa no nyoka no yenyi nipa no free ana efensi nchene hwe nyansa nipa no wo any asempa oka edie na aba ye be fefu me be bom o man no punto. So afa Asamoah Gyan here be no they will continue to celebrate him. Okochan and you see because you know sebe ye wudifo be before wudifo ye say ade ye master say ade oh ye there ye be ye there no na etimi. We don't celebrate great players like Asamoah Gyan. Okochan, Karim Hagi, 2004, he was the captain for the Tunisian Carthage Girls. No, or Chimben Asamoah Gyan so per selfie. Be what?
Yes.
So a player who be anani but who be on selfie. CAF, inter schools, first made in edition South Africa. No, Omo Mko Kasa be Asamoah Gyan.
Kobe.
Yenti unti me can also onya retire no. Calf ehun in faso using for them.
Oh, my friend is on Rambe Casanche and Quadano.
Wine friend.
Wine calf on a friend.
And I GF in so so onya retire but the calf ehun say still
on retired Diana.
But calf till calf na soon chen F no de onya on sa samaja won faso.
Almost for legend there. Na calf for afro zebra na be ha no. E be ehun sister Asamoah retired there 10.
Oh, Matiwas.
But also what me there.
Oh, Matiwas. Say the way I dream ha no. Eno na wa hye ne kama.
It different from the calf was.
Me no ya dream.
Eno the Ghana as your problem is there. Say nipa ne ben wa ohun so we crowd
onyo familiarity onyo biasa
ba aboso okoba bia
ahwoya ahwoya beyinsam ahwoya ni trimudin enu ntia house of folk obese me kan house of folk
hwe na de no na supporters yi de
house supporters no ne onwe ye no ma anya hwe kaza omo ye nye chance o ma che football na supporters dey there. Now, Omati supporters na kumache. First of all, we any new thing in House of Folk. Obiza Neil Armstrong Motak Bobekacho. I've seen a lot of things that they've done in their days. Meonia Maxwell Sabre Muye in their days. Meonia Ken Sarawa Muye in their days. Aziz Aruna Futa. Omu shaky House of Folk to do the right thing. Even under Harris according to Myokai. House supporters, Neman Koya, they step in to make sure there are positive actions. Alaji has Mercedes Benz, the other name baby Mercedes baby Benz. I'm going to more see from now and Nantia Kofi and one Mercedes Benz next year. That's over for you. House of Folk, Nyao Tama Clubabe, the musical youth. No, I Bendu Batene Ezekiel Alabomo, Ablade Kumamo, Shamokwemo, Ben Kwe, Thomas Kwe, Joseph Ado, Nana Benny Crinselmo, almost time, you know. House of Folk training war police depot. Ewa crab, baby, I'm training police for no. And as about the Eddie Kane, a shop, my tadium, to almost cause almost share training. They do baby no more. Be you know we are far now to place. Now whap. Almost trap place now we are far now. Tear me. Anti House of Folk as a football team. Almost supporters no. Almost Kenya mo a massacre eba. Enti we no omo bisam penyufo no place na sem kakra.
Oh okay.
Oh enkita ondie ba omo mu die no.
Kwa wila.
Se enti mo hwe ya ye se fada se yemba betua sika na de bia moti yakoba. Nje omo bisa question. Ni eyan se omo ansa hwe. But for me that is the way they must express their anger to the club. And club no se be talk be enye onu ne busuanfo na supporters. It has of supporters across the nation and outside. Senior man koi su year. A Oma said there to make sure say Oma express Oma ka boko rumfa. Say boko enfa. There is action they have to take. Now penyu for no who say Santos Okoko a do baby as so tites Okoko.
Yes.
I don't know what to do. And nunti me assure say Togbi will take an action. I be ma come next season no. Omo be 2 na mopa. 1. How's the players in Mikato say omo average players? I've told you long time ago.
Yeah.
Omo average players. Omo ni coach. Me nso me kan also na Oklu me so mo ni coach. Sebi has over nya say ma Oklu does not deserve to coach as of Oklu. Oklu onya hwida. Even Liberty Brothers, what did he do? Etwa bia ni ade maso anabwa.
Etwa bia ni muaso.
Ni muaso. Has of Oklu muaso nya we. We why are there should be an assistant in a club like House of Folk. The same and Ngwasi Akotoko sad House of Folk SCA. Now as board no, so I hope that they will take decisions that they should organize a massive one. Chenwe. Supporters SCA respect boni nidie ema supporters say sebeu someone mba paka someone support the club na ekono begu. Omo sika kakra na modi tia players ka. Omo suna omo soria club no enya enyonyam club no etimi ekun without House of Folk supporters matches has do match dia they go in their number to support e bi kranya omo bottom sika esan the operations ni spiritual issues na board no say 13
almost 13 players no major omo
na board omo coaches amunya coaches
As if you be involved.
Debbie. Oh, Jai.
Technical team non come on with the last time we clue could the or train report the coy. Players are Ebia who be here said this season we in a modern way you know the
so wait for the new coach to come and make assessment. For you know, not the players for you know, our issues on the players. Yeah, Ghanaian coaches don't rule that out. New coach never bano. Maternal report no. Na new coach no bra. Na ono embe steady report no. Na on share whether players do be all crap wa. Ebia oklu antimia use your muyi. Ebia or no be timia use baku mienu bi. Before the decision should be taken by the next coach that is coming. Mamun ko prepare mo en ko pam players are nebia the club betimi anya fa so krafiam. Ebia na coach no know how to use the same players. Omunyanto and the new coach and we know any many we almost starting coach papa bi ada coach kase bi kasa. Enti league no be wi an cha na mo announce coach no. Se na be share na juma se intem. Preseason be bia on the be planning. Some few weeks in prison, let the coach take a final decision on the same technical reporter. Omudi buy no. Oh, and yes, I not business. Been body the empacho, but because
we know with you,
over the years of has what onim has now a recruitment committee. How is that called? We chair it or Tomiokan and not all technical people. Our members and the show time recruitment solid.
Sports.
Yeah. Dombote, Torrid, I can go on and on and on. Solid. But we are bored the year. Oh, player Papa Ben has a book. Maybe the player Papa. House of folk have no player they can sell even $200,000. Which?
Oh, that Linda.
Why? Linda. Turn 200 coin.
Oh, that Linda. Ayana.
Some Tiana Muye or Gessino crown did. What is it? Bench cry in the community champion he could even appear on the bench. Or channel believe that matter. Bench crap for Simba. Yeah, players of them technically.
Or more of him.
Yes, more than one of them. I'm telling the truth. Utiha and I make look. Last year, Namika prepare Hansen. I said prepare would not survive in Orlando Pirates, but Scano Benyano on Fanya di Papa. Because the truth of the matter is that the quality of people striking our firm as compared to the expectations of Orlando Pirates.
Also, I'm making comments.
And I'm not telling even Simba, ya pamu sawabon unyadi Simba, and this is a very good product from your league. Yes, standard. I don't know.
Mate, my main kicker message ni kakra Felix upon that channel na kujo upon bampanase watching live. Virgin Chairman san watching live from Akrokre Asiedu Elias. I'm watching live in Libya Ohini Jan Clement Austin. Good work. And I'm watching live from Sunyane Uduma Serikozu. Watching live from Dubai. I can't stop listening to Sompa, especially Papa Puku. In Okwachi Uzu, I'm watching live from Abuakwa. Keep up the good work. Asai Nya Philemon. Hello Abu. I'm Philemon watching the show live from Fiankoma Nafi Anane Samoa from Kunsukujo Krumabu. Some passport. Oh, Anane. Nyameze no ne die gusu e won adwuma wa. Nti bibia be kama. Ebi Chembi, Jeffrey said it all. I always say these guys knows we don't appreciate our own, so there is no need you're going to waste your time on these days. The quiet remember, MZ winning your clear next time yana we're in a clear mommy and Franklin K Seche. Wow, this guy know how to talk. Major these Evans Adoma Kwansem na or can only Evans Kofi Bena. I tell you too much. Evans Kofi Bena once again. Good afternoon. The Baby Ramo. Ewa had no more boy money. Madida ye pa. Etimi Eddie Emma. Timauze. Do not do more dear no. Erama seriously. Asemezeno. Ma bon montia ye ye. Tiabrena. Ya PJ Muna de Akibi out to us. Etimi Ramo. Na minim no so. Na Mami B. Happy birthday. Ko. Entimi enfama na nyamisha pa no nyewa koma so ade fama emeze ne eyoda ti nyamisha na bibia de de enfa bi na menene ne yidwuma wo won't me.
But
is all warrior pa.
But question I maybe Zawanza.
Oh, madam for pa.
Maybe I say him for no ejuma. Me so
madam for pa.
And one person.
Be madam for.
Because me question I maybe say me nti maybe say.
Oh, madam for pa bi.
Oh, you madam for pa.
Nyenchen. Be madam for pa.
So let me say or madam for no or madam for pa. What's the difference?
Yeah.
Okay.
Madam for ne madam for pa.
Okay.
Ti be there.
Ah, we mean him no.
I own him no.
Sir.
Be with day scroll case me no.
Okay.
To him no. Unim
question. Minimum ambisa question.
Unim bi pa.
Okay, right. But Evans, why are there? I mean, wakasa nyansem o wantiti ya ofie. Wachirese ya tetino. Wakasa kama. I mean, it's one of the most intelligent interviews I'm at from a local player. Trust me. Wakasa. Okay, the last question I obisa na hunche question bia o. Enti oka abu. Aha. Kono person we no.
About fast to cross you are.
And no na me dey trusting us no. Or very intelligent and or humbrasie.
Yeah.
Or answer a question kama. Yeah. I'm proud of it. I praise a lot of your local players. Yes, I mean, also the question is that it doesn't matter how difficult crowd or nyabutre and I don't know Africa can what church mu come. I mean, he should keep it up. He will go places on you know. Not making sure about training, work hard, sacrifice. Success, their sacrifice, and yet comfort zone and success. And I hope, sir, or but me.